What's good, Dan Mafia? What's good, gang? You don't know what time it is. We are back to our regular scheduled program, to our regular scheduled reactions, man. Yeah, man, we got Skillibeng Like Me. Seems like Skilly just dropped a new surprise project out of nowhere, gang. I don't even know what the title of the project is, but we're gonna react to this track off of the title. I think this is the first track. This is Like Me. We're gonna check it out and see what I got deal with. It dropped like what? A couple days ago, man, out of nowhere, no announcement, no nothing. You don't know if it's a full project, but we're gonna check out the tracks. Probably even do a live stream, so let me know, man. But we're getting caught up with the war, man. We've been slacking our regular reactions, but we're back. We're back with the vibes, back with the shits, and we're gonna kick it off back with Skillibeng Like Me, gang. Let's get it. Okay, alright, well, go on. Yeah. Well, go on, yeah, so man.
I know I'm can't fuck you like me. I know nobody can love you like me.
Yeah.
Make you fly like butterfly, bitch.
That's right. Don't play with the thing, man. I'm told man. Hey, you don't know. Nobody can love you like me. You don't know. Nobody can. Hey. Now we know what like me means. Pala, come in. Hey, what tone? Remember that.
I know I'm can't fuck you like me.
Remember that.
I know nobody can love you like me.
Remember that. Oh, man, you better. Hey.
Make you fly like butterfly, bitch. Yeah. Me fuck you hard and I say
you fly like butterfly, bitch.
That's crazy. Yeah. She can't find nothing like me.
No, sir.
Says she can't find nothing like me.
Never.
Can't find nothing like me.
Don't say you can't find nothing like this, but I'm telling you, it's one of a kind. I'm telling you.
No way. Says she can't find nothing like me.
Nothing like me. That's facts, bro. You can't find nothing like me. Then the ex them never call and say, yo, you know, your piece of business was out with you ain't doing shit. Like me. Girl never tell her this my yard. Hey! I want you clarity till, man. You see me? I say, I do say, yo, it's a one of a kind experience, man. You ain't gonna find nothing different, but trust.
Ride it, make a guitar and I say you like it. Make you cry but I say you like it.
Yeah.
Make you smile when you come and mic it. Yeah.
Oh boy, yeah, man. Yeah, guitar where I say I like it. I make you bar with them, you know. Do the things, them. Come in, man. It's a vibe right here. You wanna know what time it is, man?
Make you cry but I say you like it. Make you smile when you come and mic it. Yeah.
Facts.
Super side.
Yeah, man. Hey, man.
Make you feel like suicide, bitch. No.
Super sand stick. Whoa, make you feel like suicide.
No, you do anything.
Skilly.
Relax. Your pussy small and I saw me like it.
Yeah. Of course, man. No other way, man. I saw we like it, man. You see when anything and done it and included it. Shout out Skilly. Me. Yeah, man, can't find nothing like me. Says you can't find Bala. Nothing like me. Can't find nothing like me. You can't Bala.
Is that? You know I can't fuck you like me.
No, sir.
I know nobody can love you like me.
No, sir. Better recognize woman. Yeah, man.
Yeah, then I say you like it.
Like me. Tell you, mama, you can't search high and low, you can't search all work, can't find it. You can't find. Hey, yeah, man. Shout out to Skilly. Shout out to Skilly, bro. Like me. Yeah, man. This project came out of nowhere, gang. I don't know where, but hey, project we never know we needed, man, and we glad it's here. So you don't know we're gonna react to it. Might even go live later on to do the full project, but I'm just reacting to a couple songs off the track. Yeah, man, that was the first track, Like Me. A very short track. It's like a minute 47 seconds. You see me? But it's really dope. I really enjoyed it. You don't know how Skillibeng coming with the Skillibeng style. You see me? The flow and the lyrics and I don't know. Skillibeng like to make the beat a part of the song. You know what I'm saying? Like, you don't know, he like to make the beat kind of breathe type shit. Yeah, so it's a good look though. Shout out to Skillibeng. Yeah, man, I enjoyed the first track. Very short. You see me? Very short, but yeah, it's definitely enjoy it. That's really dope. The beat choice and everything always sound like, you know, the drill rap and them thing there. Yeah, man. So shout out to Skilly. That's like me, man. Definitely enjoy this one. I'm curious to see what the rest of the tape is about, or the rest of the project is about. So I might do 1 or 2 more tracks, reacting to them individually. But later on tonight, I'm probably pretty sure I want to go live and do the full project. You see me? So yeah, man, gang. Let me know if that's something y'all want to see. Definitely drop that in comments. Yeah, let me know if you want to do a live, what song you want me to react to, what artist you want, drop a request, all that good stuff. Yeah, man, gang, yeah, it's a vibe. I like this first one, like me. We're just gonna check out the rest, probably check out one more time, but yeah, let me know. You want to see a live tonight? Let me know. I'll go live, drop your request, man, and I'll get it done. We're there, vibe, react to music, Dad Mafia, we're back on schedule. You see me, I say, yeah, man, we are doing thing, gang. Till next time, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys.
Blood clot DJ, come shut up selector boy.